Here is a great new way of analyzing data in Copilot without using Excel. Let's start with the sample file. There is a feedback form. I have simple columns, the starting and ending point of filling the form, the rating, which features did people like, how much time they think they will save, what did they like about my session, what are the areas of improvement, and suggested additional topics. Simple. I have around 70 rows here. If I open this in Excel and ask Copilot to analyze this data, yes, it will do something, but it's not great. Let's also try the deeper analysis using Python. But even that doesn't yield anything great. So at this point, you have concluded that Copilot is not good for data analysis. And that's absolutely wrong. I have another video which shows how multiple files can be analyzed using OneDrive. But in addition to that, the Copilot Chat, or Biz Chat as we call it, is also capable of analyzing data. So let's go to Chat, refer to this same file, and ask it to analyze. Same prompt. And look at the results. It figured out that I will want a rating, which is 4.9 out of 5, time saving. So most people thought they will save more than 1.5 hours by using what I taught in the session. And then that's not the end of it. Summarize the teaching style. Now there was no specific column for that, but it figured out. But it also figured out there are areas of improvement. So essentially, it has combined multiple columns to get this data analysis. How much time do typically people take to fill up a form? Let's create an histogram. And there you have it. It has created time taken, histogram. Amazing. It's giving me the code. So I ran the code in Python directly and it also worked fine. People are taking time to fill the form and they're giving me a rating. Is there a correlation between the two? And it did that. There is weak correlation, but it suggests that those who took longer are giving lower ratings. Then I said, okay, show me that correlation. Then it created this plot, scatter plot with the correct data. I cross-checked it by directly running it in Python and everything is great. The next thing I tried to do is word cloud based on what people liked. And it did that amazingly well. So far we have taken Excel file as an example, but I exported the same file as CSV and PDF and results are similar. So try this out, share it with your colleagues, friends, loved ones. And I also need to know whether you found it useful. So like it, subscribe, click on the bell icon, put some comments, ask me questions. And most importantly, give me ideas for videos which are relevant to you, your needs, your use cases. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.